Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a Behance link to your LinkedIn account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first step is to head on over to linkedin.com and to sign into your account. Then from here, click onto your account and click onto view profile. And now while you're over at your profile, go ahead and click on the pencil icon. And now you got to get it. Edit intro box appearing here, and then from here scroll down to the bottom of this box and click onto edit contact info, and at the bottom of this box it's going to say add website. Click onto add website, and now go ahead and put in your Behance profile or Behance link here, and you can do that by going over to Behance, log into your account and getting your profile link. So for example, it looks something similar to this, so copy this, copy your profile, come back here, chuck that in there, and then go ahead and click onto save. And now that's going to add your Behance link to your LinkedIn profile.